Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version, so open EARFUN Audio app. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then tap on them. Now scroll down. And at the bottom we have version, tap at this line, you check for updates and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Okay, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone and then you just open the case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then remove them. Oh, you don't need to remove, you need to only open the charging case. Then you can go to the application and check in the application you have the same battery level. Okay, next step is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Inside the case we have connection button and you need to press and hold this button until you will see that the LED light flash 3 times. So it's something like 10 seconds. Press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Now, if the factory reset didn't help you, the last one is to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and fully charge your earbuds. If after that it doesn't fix your problem, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!